Hey, it's Sam from TopmaQ, your go-to source for gear for industry. Welcome to our quick look at our range of Nordic power tools available here at topmac.co.nz. With an interchangeable one battery solution, you can easily swap your 18-volt lithium-ion batteries between your different Nordic skins. This means you don't have to lug around extra batteries or different chargers just for a couple of tools. Better yet, you can always have multiple batteries, and by cycling them through the charger, you'll always be tools up. Nordic have handy 2 amp hour batteries that work with 90% of our range. They're a great option if you're restricted by space or weight. We also carry the beefier 4 amp hour battery, which will provide better performance overall without compromising on form factor. It will also power 100% of our Nordic range, and personally would be the battery I would recommend. Next up we have chargers, again with 2 options. Our 60 watt charger will charge a 2 amp hour battery in 60 minutes, and the 4 amp hour in 120 from flat. Our 100 watt smart charger will halve those charging times, 30 and 60 minutes respectively. It also features LED indicators including warning and fault information. From drills to polishers, drivers to sanders and compressors, the Nordic range covers a wide variety of tooling options. All Nordic skins come with a 1-year manufacturer's warranty, but we were so impressed with our brushless range that we've gone ahead and backed them with a 5-year warranty. Yeah, that's right, Nordic also offer an excellent range of brushless tools. If you're not familiar with the technology, basically the motor adjusts according to the task. The more resistance a drill or saw senses, the more power it draws. And conversely, a lack of resistance lessens the pull. This is a huge advancement when it comes to managing battery life, improving runtime for cordless power tools. A standard brush motor will always max out on whatever speed it's set at. A brushless motor also does not have the friction or voltage drop that a standard motor deals with, which increases the life of the motor and overall performance. Alrighty guys, I hope you've enjoyed today's video on our Nordic power tool range. Make sure you get down and check out our full range of power tools and more available here in store or online at topmac.co.nz. For more reviews, tips and tricks, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Sam from TopmaQ, and we'll see you next time.